we're over here on Blue Water, the Monohull that we've installed the lithium system on. So let's jump down into the salon seating area and I'll show you guys around. All right guys, so we're on the Blue Water. This is a 56-foot Monohull sailboat that just came to us from the factory. They ship it over with a temporary battery bank, and then once it gets here, we install the lithium system. What we've installed on this boat is 4 of the MG 280 amp hour 24 volt batteries. We've wired them in parallel to connect to the existing DC distribution that came from the factory. Then if we swing over here, we've got 2 of our MultiPlus 5000s installed in parallel to give us 240 and 120. We've got an auto transformer installed and then our MG battery management system as well. So over here at the nav desk, we have our Victron display, which gives us our grid power coming in, our AC loads, our battery state of charge. We can monitor the amount of amperage and wattage that we're pulling from shore power, as well as our AC loads on board. And then we also have a MG display so that we can get a little bit more in-depth information from the MG batteries themselves. If we connect these screens to the internet, we can get into the screens and view what's going on anywhere in the world via the VRM portal. So this is a pretty typical lithium installation that Maz Ocean does. As I mentioned, the boat came to us with a temporary battery bank. The owner stated that he wanted more reserve capacity out of his battery, which is what lithium provides. The equivalent footprint for an AGM battery would be maybe half of the amp hours, if not less. We've provided the owner with additional reserve capacity by installing the lithium batteries. We've also installed the 2 5,000 kVA inverters to allow him the ability to invert any loads on the boat. And I think he's going to be really happy with the final product.